What's up? In the last video, we worked on quarter note and eighth note rhythms. This is the third and final video of this drop series, so we're going to add 16th note rhythms to the previously studied material. You'll find a link to the sheet music in the description below. Now, let's break down the first rhythm. In the first measure, we are going to drop on beat 1, pull back on beat 2, then we are going to baby scratch 3 and 4 E-anda. In the second measure, we're going to baby scratch beat 1 and beat 2. Then we're going to drop on beat 3 and pull back on beat 4. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. For the second example, we are going to play the same rhythm, but this time we're going to play it 2 times for a total of 4 measures. Let's make sure that we don't rush the pullback. We want to be in time. We want to be right on beat. All right? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. Let's move on to the third example. This time we're going to baby scratch beat 1 and beat 2. Drop on beat 3, then pull back on beat 4. Then for the second measure, we're going to baby scratch 1 and 2 E-anda 3, 4. We're going to play this 2 times for a total of 4 measures. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Time to break down the fourth and final example. We are going to baby scratch beat 1 and beat 2. Drop on beat 3, then pull back on beat 4. Then for the second measure, we are going to baby scratch 1 and 2 E-anda 3, 4. We're going to play this 4 times for a total of 8 measures. Let's try not to rush the pullback and keep our baby scratches clean and consistent. All right? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 'Thanks for watching. For more detailed lessons, be sure to check out our premium videos at scratchingmadeeasy.com. Our Made Easy method takes all the mystery out of scratching, and with consistent practice, it will take your scratching to the next level. Alright, I gotta go. See you next series. Peace.